Our minds and bodies are deeply intertwined. What affects one affects the other. When we experience stress, our bodies respond physically. We might feel tension in our muscles, changes in appetite, or difficulty sleeping. Conversely, physical health directly impacts our mental state. Regular exercise can elevate our mood and reduce anxiety. A nutritious diet can improve focus and energy levels. Recognizing this powerful connection is the first step towards unlocking our full potential. Ancient practices like yoga and meditation have long emphasized this link. Modern science is now catching up. Research increasingly shows the profound influence of the mind on the body. Studies on the placebo effect, for example, demonstrate the power of belief in healing. By learning to manage our thoughts and emotions, we can positively influence our physical health. Similarly, by taking care of our physical well-being, we can enhance our mental and emotional resilience. Understanding this connection is empowering. Embodied awareness is the practice of tuning into our physical sensations. It is about paying attention to the messages our bodies are sending us. In a world filled with distractions, we often disconnect from our bodies. We may ignore aches, suppress emotions, or numb ourselves with various substances. Embodied awareness invites us to reverse this trend. It encourages us to become present and attuned to our physical selves. This practice involves noticing sensations without judgment. We observe our breath, the feeling of our feet on the ground, or the subtle movements within our bodies. Through this focused attention, we develop a deeper understanding of ourselves. We learn to differentiate between tension and relaxation, comfort and discomfort. This awareness allows us to respond to our needs with greater compassion and care. Emotions manifest in our bodies. By paying attention to these physical manifestations, we can better understand and manage our emotions. Start by incorporating small moments of awareness into your day. As you become more attuned to your body's signals, you will be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of life with greater ease and resilience. We all hold beliefs about ourselves and the world around us. These beliefs shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Some beliefs empower us, while others limit us. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts we hold to be true about ourselves. These beliefs can hold us back from reaching our full potential. They may stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or negative self-talk. Examples of limiting beliefs include, "I'm not good enough," "I'll never be successful," or "I'm not worthy of love." Challenging these beliefs is crucial for personal growth and transformation. The first step is identifying our limiting beliefs. We can do this by paying attention to our self-talk. What negative thoughts repeatedly surface? Once we've identified these beliefs, we can start to challenge them. Are these beliefs really true? What evidence supports or contradicts them? Be patient with yourself as you embark on this journey of self-discovery and growth. Section 4. The Power of Inquiry. Examining our beliefs. The inquiry method offers a structured approach to examining our beliefs. It encourages us to move beyond simply accepting our thoughts at face value. Instead, we learn to question their validity and explore alternative perspectives. This process helps us to identify and challenge limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. The inquiry method involves asking ourselves a series of questions about a specific belief. These questions are designed to encourage critical thinking and self-reflection. For example, if you hold the belief "I'm not good enough," you might ask yourself, what evidence supports this belief? What evidence contradicts it? As we engage in this process of inquiry, we begin to see our beliefs from different angles. We may realize that some beliefs are based on faulty assumptions or past experiences that no longer serve us. This realization can be incredibly liberating. By gently questioning and exploring our thoughts, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and create space for positive transformation. Section 5. The Mind's Canvas. Harnessing Imagination for Transformation. Imagination is a powerful tool for change. It allows us to step outside the confines of our current reality and envision new possibilities. Through visualization techniques, we can harness the power of our imagination to create positive changes in our lives. Visualization involves creating vivid mental images of ourselves achieving our desired outcomes. We engage all our senses, imagining what we would see, hear, feel, smell, and even taste in this desired state. The more real we make these visualizations, the more powerful they become. When we visualize ourselves successfully navigating a challenging situation, we are essentially giving our minds a preview of success. This mental rehearsal helps to reduce anxiety and build confidence. Our brains have difficulty distinguishing between real and imagined experiences. By repeatedly visualizing a desired outcome, we increase the likelihood of achieving it in reality. By harnessing the power of our minds, we can unlock our potential and create the life we desire.